What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about two electric vehicle stocks. One of them is a Pennystock. They are recently filing with the SEC to be listed in the Nasdaq. We're going to go in detail what the vehicles this company produces and what is the ideal price point to get involved in this company. I'm also going to go do a quick update on Workhorse and Hyliion stock, guys, so make sure you stay to the end of the video. Now let's get right into it. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below, guys. So as you can see right here, Workhorse stock today is currently down 0.87%. After hours, it's up 1.19%, which is fantastic. Really did not do that much this past week. As you can see, it went up to $17.14, the maximum that went up. Now it's currently at $15.99. So one of the important things that happened for Workhorse stock this past week is that we are seeing a lot of buying happening, especially with ARK Invest accumulating shares when the stock price of Workhorse goes to the downside. On my previous video, when I talked about ARK Invest and Workhorse, the amount of shares that ARK Invest had was around 450,000 shares. But now, as you can see, they have approximately more than 540,000 shares. So that is really fantastic. And overall, they currently on their ETFs, it's currently sitting at 27 position on their ARK ETF, which is called ARKQ, which focuses on autonomous technology and robotics ETF holdings. So that is really fantastic. Also, when we talked about yesterday, I updated you guys about great news that came out for Hyliion stock, which is ticker symbol CHLL. The stock is actually up to date 11.44%. They had a partner with Ideal Lease to showcase their vehicles across the US. They have multiple locations. They'll be able to showcase their hybrid trucks to more than 400 locations, not only in the United States, but in Mexico and Canada. So that is fantastic for Hyliion stock, guys. But now let's move on to the company that we're going to be talking about today. First one is going to be GreenPower Motor Company Incorporated. This is a Canadian electric bus manufacturer. The company fabricates multiple models of high floor and low floor vehicles, including transit buses, school buses, shuttles, and double decker. So I'm going to show you guys in detail the vehicles that this company produces in a little bit. But as you can see over here, the company is currently up 18.29% today. So that is fantastic. And the ticker symbol that you can find this company is going to be GPVRF, and is currently trading in OTC market. So the major news that came out for this company is they filed for a $35 million Nasdaq uplistings. So that is fantastic. The manufacturer of battery electric commercial vehicles filed on Wednesday with the SEC to raise up to $35 million in initial public offering. The company is currently listed on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol GPV and the OTCQB under the symbol GPVRF. The Vancouver, Canadian-based company was founded in 2009 and booked $14 million in revenue for the 12 months ended March 31st, 2020. It plans to list on Nasdaq under the symbol GP. So that is fantastic. So pretty soon we might see this company be able to trade Nasdaq with the ticker symbol GP. So that is going to be really, really good. So definitely keep an eye on this company. But now let's look at what are the specific vehicles this company produces. So the first model that we're going to be looking at is going to be the EV Starter. The GreenPower EV Starter is a purpose-built zero-emission minibus capable of a range of up to 150 miles. So the EV Starter was designed around the drive system by utilizing a unibody construction, and the life expectancy of the vehicle is an industry-leading 10 years. The vessel also can be used for paratransit, microtransit, cargo delivery, employee transportation, van pool services, and many more. So there's a lot of things that you can do with this specific vehicle, and it utilizes off of the shelf charging components and can be fully charged in as little as 2 hours. The vehicle also has the capacity to be charged wirelessly with a momentum dynamic charging system, and can also be fully autonomous with the robotic AV systems, with sittings for up to 19 passengers and a GVWR of 114,331 pounds. The vehicle can be configured to meet the demands of any industry. This includes multiple wheelchair positions, perimeter seatings, or shelvings for last mile delivery services. And also the vehicle is the first and only vehicle to meet the FTA's federal purchasing requirements with a combination of proven technology and superior construction. The EV starter is the great choice to own. So if you're somebody that wants to buy these shuttles, so there's a lot of purposes. This vehicle is really solid. So now let's look at the other model that this company produces. GreenPower's battery electric automated school bus transportation, better known throughout the industry as the Beast, is the school bus marketer first purpose built Type D zero emissions bus to be certified and operating in the United States. With a clear sheet design, the Beast offers more standard features like full air ride suspensions, air disc breakers, and pass-through storages. So this bus have increased strengths as well as a better weight distribution when compared to other competitors. Furthermore, the Beast is backed by an unprecedented 10 years, 100,000 mile drivetrain warranty. So the GreenPower can provide the largest battery pack and the highest seating capacity on the market without any negative effect and overall performance. In fact, the GreenPower only uses the best of its breed technology and has partnered with top-tier manufacturers that provide the highest quality product, and the Beast will provide a fantastic experience for students and drivers. So that is basically what the company is saying about this specific school bus. So it sounds like it's really pretty cool, and it looks pretty dope too. Now let's move on to the third vehicle that this company produces. As you can see over here, the low floor transit bus can achieve a range of up to 200 miles, more than 200 miles. So that is really fantastic, and the car also looks really great, guys. So these are the three models this company has, and we expect this company to be listed on Nasdaq and trade with the ticker symbol of GP. Of course, you can get involved in the company if you're somebody to trade, to buy and sell. There are multiple brokerages that offer OTC markets. If you want to get involved in this company, you can definitely go ahead and check out the ticker symbol GPVRF, but it's up significantly higher. And as you can see from year to date, it's up like more than 1,000%. So definitely maybe wait for it to pull back. This news is really spiked up the interest of people that want to get involved in this company. So definitely keep an eye on this company for potential pullback in the future. Maybe if it pulls back, we can definitely get involved in it. But now let's move on to the second company that we're going to talk about. Now, this company, I made a video about it, which is Canoe. They are going to be doing a reverse merger with Hennessy Capital Acquisitions, and they came out and they announced that they're going to be finishing with the deal by the end of this year. As you can see, the stock is just getting beat down to the downside. So basically, it broke out of the area that it came out of. So it's back to where it initially started. So if you definitely see potential for this company, you can get involved in it. And as you can see over here, the institutional ownership is 83.4%. That is great to see. A lot of institutional ownership over here. And the share outstanding is also 37.52 million. And the share of the float is 30.2 million. So that is going to be solid if you're somebody that wants to get involved in it with this SPAC plays. So this one is definitely done deal. They're going to be doing a reverse merger by the end of the year. So definitely keep an eye on it. You guys can go check out the other video that I made in detail about their cars and their vehicles. And you guys can go check out that video. So if you have any questions, any comments, guys, make sure you drop in the comment section below. Make sure to smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure to join the Discord chat. And if you want to support the channel on Patreon too, there's going to be a link in the description box below. If you don't have a Webull account, there's also a link down there for you to join there, guys. So, but I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's video. Have a wonderful day.